Welcome to the basic tutorial on how to make a basic contraption or a circuit containing a switch. It will also contain lights, a green light, a red light, 220 or 330 ohm resistor, a switch, make sure it has 3 pins, and you're going to need some jumper wires and some sort of power source. Okay, in order to make this basic circuit, what we're going to need to do is we're going to need to supply power to these negative and positive rails. So right here we have 5 volts and 3 volts, so I currently have this connected to 5 volts right over here, so we get a nice bright light. So you can turn this on and off, and this will give positive power to these rails over here. Should be a red color. So positive, positive, negative, and negative. Okay, so we're going to take jumper wires. We're going to put them right here, and we're going to have right there. Okay, now with 2 other jumper wires that are you can do any color, but I'm choosing certain color. And we're going to put one right here into the negative bar, and one right here and into the negative bar. Okay, so what's going to happen next? We're going to take our switch and see how this thing has 3 prongs. So this is because power gets supplied to the first prong, to the middle prong, and when you switch this, it switches where the power goes. So let's say I have it switched all the way over here, right? Power goes to this prong, and this one's neutral, or there's nothing going through it. And then we switch over here, this one has power, so it will be the hot one. So on here with the so you guys see right here, you see where this is connected. You're going to want to have the center prong of this connected right there. So right there. So the center prong and the positive power, where we're getting the power from, lines up to here. Okay, so what's going to happen next is we are going to take our resistor, and we're going to want to put one resistor right here. Sorry, you want to move the switch right here. You want to put, oops, daisies. You want to put your resistor, your only resistor, right here and right here. So now you have resistor power coming through here. So we'll make sure that these lights, they don't burn out. Last time I did that, the thing started smoking. You don't want that. No. Okay. So what you're going to do now is you're going to take, you see here, you should be able to see how that's a longer prong and that's a shorter one. So the longer one's positive, the shorter one is negative. So we're going to want to make sure that we have the longer prong hooked up to one side, about right here, and the negative prong can be beside it. Doesn't matter. And you can have the green one, same thing. It can be any color you really want, and you could hook this one up right to here on the switch, and hook that honestly anywhere on your breadboard. Doesn't really matter. And then you're going to hook this up into the negative power bar. So after you hook it up to the negative power bar, once we complete the circuit, right? You switch over here. When there's power being supplied to it, this will complete the circuit. When the circuit is complete, this should light up, right? And let's just finish this circuit over here. And shaboom. Okay. So now we have a fully completed circuit. Oh, sorry, the camera's crooked. And with this fully completed circuit, if we turn on the power now, right? This here, this green light lights up, because if you look nice and close to here, let me focus the camera. You can see that our switch has been turned so that the power is going over this side. Now, if we switch the switch, you'll see it'll turn off the green switch and turn on the red switch. So, pretty cool. So, that's basically a very basic circuit, And that is the outline on how you can make a really cool basic circuit. It's just kind of fun to play around with. Okay, well, that's the tutorial for today, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Bye-bye.